Think about this. You're in the middle of a heated gaming session. The clock is ticking down, and suddenly your computer freezes, unable to keep up with the intense action on screen. This isn't just frustrating. It's a massive blow to your competitive edge. What if I told you that upgrading your laptop's RAM could be the key to dominating the game and outperforming your opponents? In fact, the crucial difference between a stuttering gaming experience and a silky smooth one often comes down to a single, simple upgrade: the addition of high-performance DDR5 RAM. Now, let's get into the specifics. One of the most significant pain points in the market today is that many consumers, especially gamers, are stuck with underperforming laptops that can't quite keep up with demanding workloads. They're forced to endure sluggish performance, frequent lag, and an overall subpar user experience. And it's not just about gaming. This issue affects anyone who uses their laptop for resource-intensive tasks, such as video editing, 3D modeling, or multitasking between multiple applications. The crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM laptop memory kit, specifically designed for 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 6000 processors, addresses this problem head-on. Let's start by talking about the design and build quality. What immediately stands out about this kit is its sleek and compact packaging. The modules themselves are sturdy, well-constructed, and feature a sleek black finish that complements just about any laptop design. Installation is a breeze, thanks to easy-to-follow instructions and a straightforward, tool-free process. But let's get to the heart of the matter: the features that truly set this RAM apart from the competition. With crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM, you can expect to experience accelerated system performance, improved multitasking capabilities, and more responsive overall system behavior. This is made possible by the module's 5600 MHz frequency, which offers blazing fast speeds and reduced latency. For gamers, this means more frames per second, reduced loading times, and a more immersive experience overall. And with support for Intel XMP3, Zero, and AMD Expo, you can trust that your laptop's RAM will be optimized for top performance. Now, let's walk through some real-world testing scenarios to illustrate just how much of a difference this RAM can make. Imagine you're a video editor working on a project with multiple 4K clips, a complex color grade, and intricate visual effects. With 64GB of DDR5 RAM, you'll be able to juggle dozens of tasks simultaneously without any slowdown, giving you more time to focus on the creative aspects of the project. Or picture yourself as a serious gamer, trying to squeeze every last ounce of performance out of your laptop. By upgrading to DDR5 RAM, you can unlock higher frame rates, improved responsiveness, and more consistent gameplay overall. Of course, no product is perfect, and as with any RAM upgrade, there are some potential pros and cons to consider. One downside is that upgrading your laptop's RAM may require you to physically remove and replace existing modules, which can be a delicate process. There's also the initial cost, which, while not astronomical, is certainly higher than what you'd pay for the average 8GB or 16GB upgrade. So where does the crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit stand in relation to competing options? Well, in terms of sheer performance, this module is among the top-tier choices available today. While some other, similarly high-performance RAM kits may offer comparable speeds, they might not match Crucial's level of compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD processors. Additionally, the 64GB capacity provides ample room for expansion, making it a versatile option for users with demanding workflows or high-end laptops. In conclusion, the crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM laptop memory kit is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to unlock top performance from their laptop. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who values speed and responsiveness, this module delivers, and with a sleek design and easy installation process to boot. So if you're tired of dealing with lagging performance and want to take your productivity to the next level, it's time to consider upgrading to some of the world's best DDR5 RAM. The crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit compatible with 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 6000 processors.